Albert Einstein, 1879–1955, was a German-born theoretical physicist widely regarded as one of the most influential scientists of the 20th century. He is best known for his theory of relativity and particularly the equation, which describes the equivalence of energy and mass. Early life. Einstein was born on March 14, 1879, in Ulm, Germany. He grew up in Munich and later moved to Italy with his family. Despite his later genius, Einstein had a slow start in school and struggled with the rigid educational system. However, his passion for mathematics and physics was evident from a young age. Education and early career. Einstein attended the Swiss Federal Polytechnic School in Zurich, where he trained as a teacher in physics and mathematics. After graduating in 1900, he initially struggled to find a teaching position and worked as a patent clerk in Bern, Switzerland. It was during his time at the patent office that Einstein made some of his most groundbreaking discoveries. The Annus Mirabilis papers. In 1905, often referred to as Einstein's miracle year, Annus Mirabilis, he published 4 significant papers that revolutionized the field of physics. These papers included 1. Photoelectric effect, explained how light behaves as both a wave and a particle, which laid the foundation for quantum theory. He won the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921 for this work. 2. Brownian motion, provided evidence for the existence of atoms by explaining their movement in fluids. 3. Special theory of relativity, introduced the concept that the laws of physics are the same for all non-accelerating observers and that the speed of light is constant. 4. Mass-energy equivalence, led to the famous equation. General theory of relativity. In 1915, Einstein expanded his theory of relativity into what is now known as the general theory of relativity, which describes the gravitational force as a curvature of spacetime caused by mass and energy. This theory was confirmed during a solar eclipse in 1919, making Einstein an international celebrity. Later life and legacy. Einstein moved to the United States in 1933, fleeing the rise of Nazi Germany. He took a position at the Institute for Advanced Study in Princeton, New Jersey, where he spent the remainder of his career. Although Einstein was a pacifist, he signed a letter to President Franklin D. Roosevelt in 1939 warning of the possibility of Nazi Germany developing nuclear weapons, which ultimately led to the Manhattan Project. Einstein continued to work on unified field theory in his later years, though he was unable to achieve his goal of uniting the forces of nature under a single framework. He died on April 18, 1955, in Princeton. Legacy. Albert Einstein's contributions to science transformed our understanding of the universe. His work laid the foundation for much of modern physics, including quantum mechanics and cosmology. Beyond science, Einstein was also an advocate for civil rights, pacifism, and humanitarian causes. His name has become synonymous with genius.